want to use a few minutes to describe our project one. Because right now it is the time we are ready to do project one. Our project one, I want to, I do not want to make it too hard, because that is your first Java web application project. So I do not want to make it too hard, make it doable, right? Yeah. So the first one, I want to make the project similar to animal survey example. We need to use database, okay? Just like animal survey example. We need to use JDBC, okay? Yeah. But we need to change. I cannot ask you repeat the same example. So that's not interesting. So I want you to do something different, okay? But when you do, although you do a different task, but the task is very close to animal survey one. A lot of similarity. So in that situation, you can try to understand this example, then you do the similar things in your project. So that's the learning process. So I like to you use learning process. You have something to follow. Okay? You have plenty of information you can use. Those lecture videos, lecture notes. Other than that, remember I have an animal survey tutorial, right? You can use to study. Tutorial, right? Yeah. So you have plenty of materials to help you do the project, okay? Yeah. And I give you 4 weeks to complete it. Plenty of time, 4 weeks to complete it. Yeah. And I want to do this. Also survey, but not animal survey, browser survey. How about that? Browser survey. When people use browser to, access your web application, you can do the survey. Okay? Actually, this idea I mentioned at the beginning of this class. Remember when I talk about market share, browsers market share, I mentioned how to do statistics on those browsers. Now it is the right time. We will do that statistics, the browser statistics. When a browser visits your web application, you need to detect what type it is, the browser type, the Chrome, Firefox, IE, Safari, Opera, and so on. Okay? Yeah. So the current main players in the browsers market. Oh, and there is an Edge. Okay, I forgot to mention that Edge. Yeah. So those players in the market, you need to create a database similar to our, animal survey options. That table, right? So you only need one table. So then you need to do statistics, okay? Or votes or hits, right? Yeah, so, could be hits, right? You hit it, yeah. Every hit, you take statistics, okay? Yeah, one hit, yeah. So things like that, yeah. All right. So I will write the project description, okay? Yeah. And I may also give you one example, yeah, because how to get a browser information. Use user agent, right? I mentioned that. The header, HTTP request, header, right? Header, there is a user agent type. user dash agent type. So that will give you the browser information. Okay, yeah. So I can give you a simple example, a servlet example. So you can run, so you know how to retrieve the user agent information. Yeah. So then you need to parse, you need to process, retrieve the browser type, then you do statistics. So then you prepare output. So that's the project. Okay. All right. So let me finish today's lecture, and I will post that project description soon, and I will also post a homework assignment number 1 soon. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So that's it for this lecture. Yeah.